Animals and their young ones. Fish young one is fry. Donkey young one is foal. Giraffe young one is calf. Duck young one is duckling. Sheep young one is lamb. Monkey young one is infant. Lion young one is calf. Tiger young one is calf. Goat young one is kid. Kangaroo young one is joy. Frog young one is tadpole. Deer young one is fawn. Rabbit young one is kid. Elephant young one is calf. Dog young one is puppy. Pig young one is piglet. Buffalo young one is calf. Butterfly young one is caterpillar. Horse young one is colt. Cow young one is calf. Cat young one is kitten. Hen young one is chick. Owl young one is owlet. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe my channel.